If you're looking to purchase a fuel filter for your 2019 2024 Ram heavy-duty pickup or cabin chassis with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine, this is the primary engine-mounted fuel filter you want to be buying. This is Fleet Guard's FS53000. This is the exact same filter that you get in a Mopar box under the 681572918AA part number. The only difference is you're buying it directly from the manufacturer without the Mopar middleman. It's also about half the price. This is the exact same filter that comes in a Mopar box. A little bit about this filter that's really important. This is a two-stage filter. So you have on the bottom, a 5-micron outer ring and a 3-micron inner ring. And these two work together to reduce your fuel down to 3 microns in contamination removal. And it also is 99% efficient at removing free water and 98% efficient at removing emulsified water. One of the things you'll notice on this filter, if you look at the bottom of it, it has this oval hole at the bottom that is contained within this independent ring that actually is free floating within the filter. This oval is designed to interface with the oval-shaped standpipe in the center of the fuel filter housing mounted on the engine. And the reason they do that is when you take this filter and you insert it down into the filter housing, you're in essence creating a two-stage filtration system. That's important to note whenever you're looking at these filters, because a lot of aftermarket companies like Wix and Donaldson and other ones who offer a crossover part number for this filter location do not contain that oval. Their filters are a simple single-stage filter on the outside, and it's a large round hole that does not interface with that standpipe. So you're not getting the same level of filtration. Another key point, if you're looking to purchase these filters, there's a lot of fake filters floating around. When you're buying these, you need to be looking at a couple things. Make sure that, first of all, the packaging needs to be loose, as you can see here. If it has the really, really tight shrink wrap plastic around it, that is not a genuine Fleet Guard filter. Fleet Guard does not manufacture these filters and package them in that tight fitting shrink wrap. These filters are made in USA in Cookeville, Tennessee. They are extremely high quality, and you can also use these filters on your 2010 through 2018 Ram 6.7 heavy duty pickup as well. This is an excellent filter. This is what you want to buy. Very inexpensive compared to the Mopar alternative. Does the exact same thing, will fit perfectly, and is easy to remove. If you have any questions, post a comment below.